These are harvester ants. It is January 22nd, and it rained all day yesterday and the day before. It hasn't rained today, and they are digging themselves out. It is about 59 degrees right now. In this area, there is about 15 colonies. 8 of them are like this colony. They're active. They're digging themselves out, and they're still active during the winter. So not all ants actually hibernate. A couple of the colonies actually have Argentines attacking them. This colony is a newbie colony. I hope they survive for next year. But as you can see, they're very slow and sluggish, but they're trying to excavate their entrances. So I'm going to say about 75% of the colonies, harvester colonies, are still very active.